Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna be going to get some fuel.
There we go, pal. I've filled out form, pal.
What?
Need a bloody repair, pal. Oh, mate, I bet you feel good.
What is it? Are you AJ Smith?
Yeah, mate. Yeah, yeah. You've got the privilege, mate.
Oh shit! I ain't even got a repair kit.
You've got the privilege, pal.
You got the pad in.
You're repairing a Trojan vehicle, mate. Yeah, baby. Mate, if I was you, I would be making a autos announcement right now. I'd be shouting over, guys, I am repairing the Trojan units. Rob,
Oh, see.
Rob, he is repairing Trojan.
Yeah, he told you already.
Rob is repairing a Trojan unit vehicle.
Boys, listen.
Yeah, but yeah.
I'm repairing a Trojan vehicle right now.